All right, so this is going to be how that you do your forecasts and observations for the project that we have. First, you're going to go to the third term project, February daily weather forecast and observation. You're going to open that up, and that's where it is. Now I'm going to open it up and give you the instructions here. Now, the instructions, as they say, is you're going to watch a weather forecast and record daily, Monday through Friday, current weather and astronomical observations. And first, what we're going to do is I'm going to give you about 4 minutes to find today's forecast. So the way that you're going to do that is that you are going to look at, I thought that there was, is this a, I don't know what those are. You're going to look at the forecast from Wood TV or Fox 17 or WZZM or WWMT. I gave you those four. You can watch whichever one's the best for you. Maybe you like those in particular. Somebody said they like the Wood TV. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click on that here in a second. But while you are watching your forecast, you're going to fill out this daily weather chart. All right, and so that daily weather chart here, let me share this tab as we're looking at it. The first part says the current weather observations, and if you scroll down, you'll be able to see what is forecasted for today. And since today is the 11th, we're going to be filling out those boxes. Now, I know we were asynchronous yesterday, and I'll show you how to do that, but part of your assignment yesterday was to watch those forecasted models. So this is how you're going to do it. You're going to go up to one of these, and you're going to click on one. I don't care which one you click. Let's say you clicked Storm Team 8. And you are going to watch that forecast. And when that person starts talking and telling you what the forecasted weather is going to be, you're going to fill out, there he is telling you about it right there, and you're going to fill out this information. I'm going to pause the video right now, and I will be back to you in 4 minutes. Okay, now hopefully that was enough time for you to watch that weather forecast and enter in the information into, and I just found out, into that area. All right, so hopefully those are all filled out for you at this time. Now, what we're going to do now is start working on what we see currently. Now, what we're going to do with that is that we're going to go to a different website. And I gave you this website here. Oh, I'm going to go back here. I'll share this tab. And so this website that I'm going to use to see my current information, I'm going to go to this one right here. Let me see if I can do that. Boom, right there. Oh, yes. I'm not exactly sure what you're asking here. Okay. So, for yours, who is talking? So I know. Mikey. All right. I That's weird. Maybe you can. Is there anybody else having the same issue? Or number two, I can always send you another copy of this one, just out to you. Anybody else having that? Anybody in here having that problem? He's asking here if the daily weather observations are there for him. I'm gonna pause my recording here for a second. All right, I think we figured that one out. So, Mike Keith, you're just going to let me know if if I need to send something out to you. So the next thing that we're going to do is start filling out this area here, where it's 211 right there. And the way that we're going to do that is we're going to go back up to our third term project. I'll share this when I'm at. And we're going to get into this website right there called wunderground.com. So we're going to click on that. It brings me up to this. And first what we're going to do is we're going to click on this today. And when we do that, it brings me up with my current temperatures. And I need to fill out that form again. And one of the first things that I'm going to do is, well, I'm going to say, well, right now it's 16 degrees. So our current observation is 16. And as we talked about, we can always put the low temperature there. Our low temperature right now is at 11. It is also right now fair. So mostly sunny. If I look out right now, it's all sunny. So you could even put that, what is the cloud type? Well, I don't see any clouds in my sky. I also have this feature here. This is kind of a rose line here. And so this is north up on top, down is south, over here is east, and then west. And so this is telling me that I have winds out of the west at 3 miles per hour. If I scroll down a little bit more, this will tell me what my air pressure is, 30.5. This will also tell me what my humidity is, 55%. And as I keep scrolling down, the astronomical observations are my length of the day, this is the one I'm doing, is 10 hours and 23 minutes. And right now, I'm at my moon phase is a new moon. So if you look up in the sky tonight, you're not going to see a moon there. I'm sorry, say that one more time. I'm on W Underground. And so you're going to be able to fill out now this information. Oh, I'm going to take that part off. So that column. You might have to flip back and forth just to get all of that information on that. Remember that you are going to also do everything Monday through Friday. You won't have to worry about Saturday or Sunday. So we got to take those days off. But if you missed the day, what you're going to have to do is go back to our third term project. And now you're going to go into here. That's up here. If you miss a day, use this link. This shows the last 3 days. Use the observations taken at 12:53. So I'm going to click on this website. Looks like this. And yesterday was the 10th. So I'm going to go down until it says these numbers here say 12:53. And it's right here. And it's a little bit harder to do, but you can do this. It has less of the current data, but it does have some. At 12:53 yesterday, my temperature is going to be right on this column, 18 degrees. It was 68% humidity. My air pressure was 30.34. It was an overcast sky. The winds were calm, which means that they were probably less 1 mile an hour or less. So you won't be able to get all of that information, but you'll be able to get some. Hopefully that helps you a little bit with how to fill out that information for the third term project, February daily weather and forecast and observations. Remember, we're doing this Monday through Friday. If you have an issue, we're going to refer right to this video and I'll put it up for you.